Hey, morning everyone. Right. Now let's do a quick exercise. You want to make more money, right?
That app alone, I think already literally over $1 million for that year.
The point, the basically the finance. When I understood about my finance, then I could make better decisions on whether I should continue doing the business or not.
Processes and finance is definitely not my strength. I think we don't lack clarity of vision and values, but then I think for processes, definitely. So that's what I'm here to learn today. I think my key takeaway about finance is the gross profit thing, where you make sure you have your gross profit okay first, above 30%, and then there's a lot of stuff you can solve after that.
I'll talk to my accountant. We miss a lot of things and we need to refine our numbers.
Because usually it's just numbers before this. We don't really know what does the number means or what is the red flag. I'll go back and start looking at my P&L and balance sheet and see which numbers is the red flag number.
The numbers really make a big difference for our company stability and also good financing lah. So know your numbers and know your people.
For the marketing part especially, I gain new insights, especially into how search engines actually work and how to improve my business visibility online, which I felt that is very important.
If you really focus and go deep into marketing, there's a whole deeper strategy and multi-level ways in marketing.
So majority of people,
A lot of new realization. I think when he said about the company culture, I think we have sort of a company culture, but we have not concentrated it how we really want it to be.
I think it's a very excellent workshop, so we can have very clear what should we do, okay, and then what can we implement. Often maybe in future there's a further course hopefully we can attend again.
Oh, it kind of tested my mindset on the clarity of the person that you want to hire. It's very easy to pick up and then it's very straightforward. And immediately I think that once we enter the workshop, we can take away and implement it at least 50% of what we learned.
I think the biggest change and takeaway for me was it's not that you try to find the right people and keep them, but you try to design a nice environment that people want to stay in.
can we do that? Can you help me commit that you will try this out for your next hire? Yes.
It's totally impactful to me. So maybe if I become a boss, I do have this kind of knowledge to apply in my new company.
Of course, definitely. It's really fruitful during these 2 days. We learn a lot. Yeah, sure.
Trust me, you will gain a lot of knowledge. If you are SME, if they're having the second one this year, please attend. It will help you definitely 100%, especially on finance, because in business it's all about numbers.